How to contact the Hotwire customer support. First, you want to go to any kind of browser. I'm using my Chrome over here, and on the search bar you want to type in Hotwire customer support. Search for Hotwire customer support. After that, you'll be able to see the official helpline number over here. You can simply call on this number and troubleshoot your problem. However, if you want to contact to the website or if you want to troubleshoot on the website or on the mail, you can simply tap on this contact us over here. You'll be redirected to the official Hotwire websites. Here you'll see 2 or 3 links. Here it's called frequently asked questions and help center. Simply tap on here and you'll be redirected to the contact us page. You can contact the official team over there, or if you want to call or if you want to troubleshoot your problem over a call, you can simply tap on this number and make a call on this number to troubleshoot your problem. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.